dear friends, today I would like to introduce you to a great initiative from a friend and an amazing historic winery from Abruzzo. It's the Faraone Winery that came up with this great idea to let you taste and experience the same wine tasting experience that you will have here in Abruzzo, but at your home. Wherever in Europe you can have this experience box to your door. But now I would like to introduce you to Federico from the Faraone Winery that will tell you what is inside.
And I'm Federico Faraone and we are in our cellar. The wine that will be inside the box are Spumante Rosé, sparkling wine, Metodo Classico, classic method. Pecorino is our white wine from our local grapes. Cerasuolo d'Abruzzo is our rosé wine, very good with different dishes. Montepulciano d'Abruzzo 2012, our special Riserva of our Montepulciano. Olive extra virgin oil from our olive. And the last is our gem, our conserve of grapes of Montepulciano.
If you are in Europe and would like this tasting experience, just send an email to Federico and he will be happy to ship it to you. Together with this tasting experience, you will also receive pairing suggestions, recipes, and the history behind these products. Ciao!
Ciao!
E grazie!